Hello friends, Prim here to show you how to eat a better lunch at a better price. And so today we're going to have salmon and cauliflower rice and put it in our lunch bowl. So this Crystal Wave lunch bowl is such the great size for it. It's 2.5 cups and it's the perfect size for lunch. The wonderful thing about it is that you can seal it, and then when you get ready to heat it at work, then all you do is vent it, reheat in the microwave, and you are good to go. It have the cool big handles that's easy to pick up, and also the big tab that's easy to open, and then you can fill it with all your goodness. So today I'm gonna do a salmon in the grill in the microwave in 5 minutes. And so all you have is your salmon fillet, and this really y'all can make 2 bowls. And so you could cut it in half after you finish cooking it and make 2 bowls. And I already seasoned it. You can season it with the seasoning of your choice. And then I'm gonna take a little garlic butter that I made up, and I'm gonna spread it all over my salmon. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for just 5 minutes. And then we're gonna work on the cauliflower rice. Now all I have to do is put it in grill mode, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Now with the cauliflower rice, I put it in our steamer, and this is called a multi-cooker, but we're using the steaming components of it. And I did a whole head of cauliflower, and you see it filled it up. You can buy your cauliflower a lot less if you cut it up yourself and not buy the already prepared florets. And so all I'm gonna do is I steamed it for about 10 minutes because I don't want it really soft. And so I'm going to just spoon the portion that you like, and you don't have to do quite as much cauliflower as I did, but I'm going to spoon just a portion in here and show you how it's so easy to make your own cauliflower rice. And so with just a couple of pulls, it's already ricing up, y'all. And so you can see where it's already ricing up. Depends on how fine you want it, because if you steam it just a little bit more, you can make a cauliflower mash. But we're just gonna do the cauliflower rice, and then how about if we add a little of our garlic butter to it? Oops. Let me get a smaller spoon here. And add that. Give it a quick stir. Can you hear the sizzle? After 5 minutes, just 5 minutes in the microwave, you have your beautiful salmon. And like I said, you could do really 2 bowls with this salmon. So we are going to take the skin right off, and make sure that you're using your plastic utensils with your grill. And you have your perfectly beautiful salmon cauliflower rice bowl.